Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And there's a problem that some people might have seen appear in the Windows Security app due to the Windows Defender antivirus. So some have seen their app go and just say the threat service has stopped, restart it now. And some had an error message, an error code. And Microsoft started seeing a lot of people complaining that their Windows Security app was actually stopping or crashing because of this. So Microsoft issued a statement today saying that this is fixed. It was in the update of a new signature for the Windows Defender app that fixed it. So you shouldn't be having this error message anymore. The fix has been done with a update to the security signatures. You can see if you have the update, if it crashes, go to your Windows Security app, go to the settings, and go to About. The antivirus version is what you want to check. It needs to be in the anti-spyware version also. Has to be at 1.457.236 or above. So I'm at 239 right now as I'm doing this video. 236 or above. If you're below 236, that is when it's crashing. So that means you need to actually update. So to make sure that you update, you go to your settings and go to the Windows Update and check for updates that will appear. You should see a update for the Windows Security app that will bring a new signature, and that will fix the problem. So it is fixed. So here, the security and intelligence, you see they're updating now to 245, which is the current one now. So this means it's even more recent now with 245, sorry. So this means if I go here and I click About again, here we go. We're updated at 1.457.245. So temporary glitch, but it is now fixed for Windows Security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.